When the robot moves, the world sees the surgeon. But behind every successful robotic case stands a team that makes precision possible. From preparing the operating room to supporting every critical movement during surgery, to ensuring patient safety beyond the procedure. Nurses are not just assisting robotic surgery anymore. They are becoming an essential part of robotic excellence. Introducing A.R.M.O.R,
Advanced Robotic Management for Operating Room Nurses.
a first-of-its-kind initiative by Meril, designed to empower nurses in the evolving world of robotic surgery. Focused on robotic workflows, patient safety or efficiency, troubleshooting, and hands-on robotic learning. Join us at Meril Academy Vapi on 22nd and 23rd May 2026. Because robotic surgery isn't powered by technology alone, it's powered by the people behind it.